Action.
So for me and Henry, we're going to do our project on projectile motion, and our project's going to be on the phenomena of, I guess, when you launch an object at different, or at the same velocity but at different angles. If the two angles add up to 90 degrees, the object will travel the same distance. And you can see that with this graph here in our book. If you launch an object at 15 degrees, it'll go here, and if you launch it at 75, it'll go there. Same if you do 30 and 60, they'll meet at the same spot. And you should also note that the furthest distance you can get is if you launch an object at an angle of 45 degrees. So we're going to show you that with a computer simulation, and then we're going to try to do it ourselves in real life.
Alright, Henry here, and this computer simulation that we found on the internet seems to work completely perfectly, and it does exactly as the book says. So it's a cannon launching a cannonball at whatever velocity we put, and we put 100 meters per second at an angle of, let's say, 60 degrees, and we fire it. And the distance is 883.7 meters. And the time it took for it to get there is 17.7 seconds. So now let's try 30 and see if the theory is true. And what do you know? It's 883.7 meters. Although the time is different, it stays true to the book where it says the distance will be the same.
Alright, so we're going to try to shoot this Nerf gun from two different angles. We're going to try to shoot 30 degrees and 60 degrees, and it should travel at approximately the same distance. Not counting for wind resistance and all that, they should be about the same distance. So we're going to use this protractor and this Nerf gun to try to accurately measure our angle. So this first shot is from 30 degrees. And it landed right there. We're going to leave it there so we can see where the next one lands. And now this next shot is from 60 degrees. Now you can see that from the two distances, they landed very close to each other. This one was a 30-degree one, and it landed about here first and then bounced a little further. And this one, because it came down at a steeper angle, it kind of just landed on the same spot. But, I mean, they're just a few feet